Hey, this is Justin here with an updated bike check. I got a new frame. It's the McNeil Gary Young V1. Also got new forks, the McNeil IDs. Still got the same wheel set, the Haro conversion kit in the back that I painted yellow, and the Alienation front wheel that I also painted yellow. Got my I cut my sky highs down, took a half an inch off both sides, and the sticker peeled off. So I got new DAC grips with Primo bar ends. Got the animal jump off. Also got new cranks, fit cranks. Still got fit pedals. Got my hub guard on, but I don't have my pegs on right now because I'm ordering new ones. So and then I got the Odyssey MDS chain wheel 28 tooth, and got the fit seat, some random post, SNMC clamp, and got the Eastern headset, and that's pretty much it.